Hey everyone, I hope you have a great day. Today I'm going to show you guys how to jailbreak newest iOS 15.3 with no computer. Let me show you first that I'm running indeed iOS 15.3 on my iPhone. There you go. So I'm going to show you guys where you need to go to do the jailbreak, so let's get right into it. So to install the iOS 15.3 jailbreak on your device, you need to open Safari browser and visit iosjailbreak.pro. So let me just type that in right here. So once you're there, you need to select your device and version of iOS. In my case, I'm on the iPhone 10 and I'm running iOS 15.3. So let me just choose my iPhone right here. So let's just choose iPhone X and then my version. So that would be, let me just find it right there, 15.3. So once you're there, after doing this, click Jailbreak and confirm you want to proceed with the jailbreak. Now wait a few seconds to get everything ready. The jailbreak process is as simple as installing apps on your device. It takes less than 3 minutes, so let's give it a minute for this to go ahead and finish here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to let this thing load. We got the iPhone update style progress bar right there, so let's just give it a minute for this to go ahead and load. All right, I'm just going to give it a second. All right, it's almost done. All right, so the bar's at the end now. All right, we'll just wait it up. Okay. We'll just give it a second. All right, so to complete the jailbreak, guys, you need to install one of these apps and keep it running for 30 seconds. If it doesn't work with the first app, just try another one. So let's go ahead and pick one. I'm going to do the IRL social calendar. And it's going to take me to the App Store, and I'm going to go ahead and download the app. So let's wait for it to redirect us right here, as you guys can see. All right, and I'm just going to go ahead and download this. So let's wait it up. All right, we'll just let it download, as you guys can see. All right, it's almost done. And now I'm going to go and get another one, so I'll do the iHeartRadio, so make sure you get at least 2 of them, guys. If the first one doesn't work, you want a backup plan. So now I'm going to go to my home screen and wait it up. So start it up, and when you start opening up these apps, the jailbreak installation is going to start in the background. And the main deal here is you need to start the app and keep it running for 30 seconds. And as I mentioned earlier, if this doesn't work with the first app, just try again with a different one. So let me just do some interactions on this app right here, just putting in my email. All right, so now I'm going to go over to the other app, which is the iHeartRadio, and I'm going to do the same thing. I just had to make an account here, so let me just do that. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and press sign up for free. Okay, I'm going to put in my email address. Let me just type this in right here, as you guys can see. All right, and now I just need to put in the password, so let me just do that. All righty, here we go. Okay, and now birth year, gender, and age. So let me just type this in. All right, gender and zip code. All right, so there we go. So there, I did the iHeartRadio sign up right there. The apps can vary according to where you live. These are just the ones that showed up for me. So I'm just going to scroll through the menus. There we go. We're pretty much good to go with this app. So I'm just going to allow the notifications, tracking devices. Cool. So anyways, guys, once you are done, you will notice that you've got Cydia on your device and it is jailbroken. So in a minute, I'm going to check out the home screen and we'll see what's going on. So yeah, I'm just basic interactions here, as you can see. So allow the notifications, sure. So let's go home and wait for Cydia to download onto our device. And let's see. And as you can see, I have the jailbreak on my iOS device. It's fully functional. You can install tweaks and many more. So as you guys can see, I've got it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if it worked for you. This is super crazy, and I just can't even believe it, guys. Try it out right now. It's awesome stuff. So yeah, guys, super cool. As I said, if it works for you, be sure to subscribe and like. I'm going to see you later, and peace out.